Hello, this quick dive is about how to import Lightroom brushes. Before I get started, these brushes are for our membership program. You can try for free for 14 days. Head on over to our website at sullivanjphotography.com.
This is the third package, so you should have already textures and some of my Lightroom presets. And now I'm going to give you some fun Lightroom brushes. So go ahead and download. Once I push download, everything goes to my download folder. I'm not sure if that's where it goes to yours, but that's where mine goes. Now, because I'm a Mac, I'm just going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to go show it in Finder. And down below here, over in all of the many things that I actually need to clean out, here is my zip file. And you can tell because this little icon right here, this is a zip folder. And if you double click on it, this is the actual folder. So this is zip file. You'll double click, or if you're a PC, you can right click and open it. Here are all of your goodies that you're getting for free because you're awesome. You're going to click on the first one, and easy for me, I do a shift click. I'll go to edit or Command C for the Mac and click on that. And now we're going to get into Lightroom and install it. Okay, now that I'm into Lightroom, I'm going to go up into my preset area. In Macs, it will be in Preferences. If you're a PC, you'll go to Edit and find your Preferences. So we'll go ahead and get there. Make sure that the preset, see there's a bunch of goodies here in the preferences, and make sure that preset is selected. Make sure that this right here is not checked off. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and click on Show Lightroom Preset Folder. It will take you into the actual Lightroom file or folder. And then instead of going to the develop presets like we did last time, where you can actually add a bunch of folders within that, now we can't do that. So you're going to go to local adjustment presets. You go ahead and right click on the folder, and then you're going to paste all of the presets that we had copied right before. Now you can see here that I've already pasted them in, so I don't need to do that. Then you'll have to, again, shut down Lightroom to see it. And now let's show you where they're at. Go to the development module to the right, and under the histogram, you'll see all of these little goodies in here. This is how you get to the adjustment brush. Now, right now it's in exposure, but down below, once you click on exposure, you go down below. Here are all of the presets that I have given you. You can use these with your brushes, the graduated filter, and the radio filter. So they are definitely local adjustments. It's not doing everything. It's not a global thing. It's a local thing. So if you want to use this cool punch, say here, you can drag it down and boom, you've got a cool punch there. So here's the before, and here is the after.